Every drop-off on the order board runs through wash, dry, fold, and pack, and you need to know how many loads each order is. An item's service tag decides that. Here are the 3 tags, one order at a time. First, a per-load service with the drop-off indicator tag. Tap it once for each load, 2 here. Attach the customer to the sale. Charge it, match the total with exact, and finalize. Each unit became its own load. 2 units, 2 load cards tracked on their own. Next, per kilo pricing. A weight line counts as just 1 load, no matter how many kilos. Tap it and enter the weight. So add a load counter, also a drop-off indicator. 1 tap per load, 3 this time. Attach the customer again. Charge it the same way. Now the order shows 3 loads, 1 for each load counter unit. Last, self-service. Tag the items your customers run themselves as self-service and ring one up. Attach the customer. Charge the order. Self-service is the difference. It records the sale on a receipt, but creates no loads, so nothing lands on the order board to process. No matter how you price your laundry, by load or by the kilo, LaundryVerse keeps every order tracked on the board. If it still doesn't click, reach out to us anytime. We're always happy to help.